3D 3.5 is our new small color display designed specifically for off-highway vehicles, cement mixers, utility trucks, construction equipment, agriculture. So we've got dirt, dust, debris, chemicals, temperature extremes. So it's designed to be really robust, but also very rugged. We often see it as an auxiliary display in the cab. We also see these on the exterior part of the vehicle. We've got 4 buttons on the bottom. The keys are sized correctly. You can use your gloves, you can use your bare hands, menu through the different screens, get feedback to the operator. This product's designed using our technology for scratch-resistant plastic, our rubber keys that have urethane hard coats on the legends, the hardened glass optically bonded to the LCD. It's very bright, 1,000 nits. The design of the bezel is hard plastic, low profile when it's mounted, and also a snap insert, so it's very easy to install. It's a very easy to use programming paradigm where you can drag and drop graphics, set up your screens, and roll it out into your application. So this is streamlined, elegant, eye-catching, so it fits in with modern vehicles. We've taken our experience with the CAN bus keypads with displays, packed them into a small product with big features, perfect for this marketplace.